everyone, welcome to our day 5 in Switzerland. We've come for an early morning walk and it's freezing cold right now. Susan is recording this and we're going for a jog towards the lake. And you know, at the end of this there's a croissant. You guys should know that by now. So let's go. It's so cold. It's so nice. So clean. We've come to Co-op to grab some breakfast for us and our parents. I'm feeling hot and cold at the same time. Susan's buying Lindt chocolates. Look at this. Croissant. We got lots of food from Co-op. Look at this entire scene. And look at my sister. कितने स्लो चलते हैं सुजान? We need just stay. We left our stay and now we are going to the train station to go to our next destination. We were on our way to go to the next train station, but then since we had 5 luggages, we ordered an XL Uber. But the 5 luggages didn't fit in, so that's why we sent our parents with the luggages, and me and Susan are going by walk to the train station. It's a kilometer away, so we should reach in about 10 minutes now. Here, the minute you step on zebra crossing, even though there's red light, the car just stops for you. Which is so cool. I love Europe. In the morning when we went for a jog, it was raining so heavily. We were so tense that even today it's going to rain bad and we wouldn't be able to explore anything in Switzerland. But look at it now. It's all sunny. We got some pretzels. It's very famous in Switzerland. Pretzel sandwiches. It's very famous in Switzerland. ChatGPT said must try. Also, we are all ChatGPT people here on this trip because without ChatGPT, we would have made the itinerary, but then it would have been very difficult. So, this trip is sponsored by ChatGPT. This is really good. If you come to Switzerland, don't miss on pretzel sandwiches. We got on our train station and we'll reach at 11:51 to Lucerne. Look at the view.
This is the pre-market.
Wow.
Really haven't been great at
We arrived at Lucerne train station. We also took a Swiss travel pass for 3 days. The Swiss travel pass lets you travel throughout the country. You can take bus, train, boat, anything. So it is very handy. You don't need to collect tickets again and again. So we have stopped at Lucerne and our final destination is Interlaken. But we have heard Lucerne is very pretty. So we are going to quickly drop our luggage and then explore Lucerne for quite some time. These are the self-serving lockers. So we have locked our bags. 3 of our bags. Welcome to Lucerne. This one is called as the Chapel Bridge. This is the bridge through the chapel. I was just telling my mom, all these places, it's the stamps that we used to get when we were kids. It is just like that. Just look at this view. Take a minute and just look at it. Even this one. Everywhere you go, it's just pretty. Even if I take a picture of footpath, I think even that is pretty here. We're exploring Lucerne, the town of Lucerne. This is the old town of Lucerne. I can't stop taking pictures at this place. I mean, look at the view. Everything is beautiful. Every frame is like picturesque. It's so pretty. Like, look at that one. This one.
You even look at the top of the mountains with the snow on top, as like the snow-tipped mountains.
We are going there tomorrow, which we have to book tickets. We found Kanchi Indian restaurant in Switzerland. I'm half planning to come here, Mama, and settle down. Now my goal is to come to Switzerland, open an Indian restaurant, and just do that. That's it. That's it. I'm going to settle down in Switzerland. Anywhere, any part of Switzerland is fine. I'm just going to come to Switzerland and open a restaurant like that. Came to the Lion Monument. Why?
Until the end.
Story of Lion Monument.
The monument itself was set in a sandstone cliff near a tranquil pond in Lucerne. The lion
So many chocolates and lot of Easter bunnies for Easter. We got 3 cones. Those are the mountains covered with snow.
So we did a full strategy as to how we can have the most beautiful view. So we segregated as soon as everybody sat in different corners, nobody can come and sit. So if the view on the left, we have that secure. If the view to the right, we have that secure.
Everything is secured.
Master plan.
Master plan.
Where is my abode?
We are going to Interlaken through Lucerne, and the journey from Lucerne to Interlaken is mind-blowing. So that's why we have got all these seats, and our master is here for that. I'll show you guys the view very, very soon. It's okay, at least our parents got the seat. Full detail just scenes on the How is this the beach? This is the Switzerland beach and it's so beautiful. And the water is so clean and so blue.
व्यू को देखो और फिर
हमारे बेचारे पेरेंट्स को
क्या हुआ है इनको
ये तो मेंटली द सिक है बॉय
बाय नहीं
बॉय
मेंटल बॉय
मेंटली द सिक है बॉय
मेरी दोस्त Officially journey. This is UNESCO protected train journey, and my mum really slept through it all. I had to spend 5,000 Indian rupees per person to reserve seats. Thank God I didn't. I would slap my face if I did.
But then since we had Swiss travel pass, it was free.
Not free, we've already paid for it.
We have already paid for it, but it's the pass so you can go on unlimited journeys in Switzerland.
And also you can just choose whichever train you want to get on. You don't have to think about okay, fine, I'll book the train at 9 o'clock in the morning. So it's nice like that, it's very convenient.
Yeah, so we've reached our train station, so let's go. We have reached Interlaken, Switzerland. And look at all the roses and flowers on the sides of the road. This country honestly it only gets prettier. All tulips on like the main road. Europe is fun. It really is. We finally reached our stay. It took us forever. We went back and forth, I mean like 100 times, and we're very exhausted. And finally we reached our stay. We have arrived at our stay in Switzerland, Interlaken. Look at the view. How do you feel, Suzanne, in Switzerland? Dad is already
The only
sleeping.
good thing about this day is that I don't have to take the luggage off for the next 3 days.
Yes, so we are in Switzerland for the next 3 days. This is our kitchen. This is one bedroom. Come to Lidl to grab some groceries and some food for now. I'm loving this high protein drinks they have here. I can't find Susan now. We got groceries for 4 days. 4 days. I feel so
cook our
nice.
own
I
food.
feel like
Citizen.
and
What language do they speak, Shalom?
German.
They speak everything.
They speak everything, but I feel so nice. I feel like I could stay here someday. I could settle down here. I'll find a job
The
here.
only thing I've got to say to that is dream on.
But it's nice. You guys should come to Switzerland.
Just for the view. Gosh, look at that. You can see snow.
Family dinner time. Parota, paneer and chicken sausages. We've come for a walk in the evening.
It's night actually. It's almost 9 p.m.
Oh yeah, it's actually 9 p.m. but it's still a little bit bright. It's very nice. It's very quiet.
So calm.
So calm.
It's not too cold, but it is still pleasantly cold.
Yeah.
100 dogs around.
And it's
Mountains, snow,
half of them
clouds.
we are confused if they are dogs or cats.
I feel like they just have dogs here for fashion. They carry them in their bags and just walk around.
Yeah, and I was just telling Susan, I feel like I'm in a different world. Like this does not feel reality at all. Especially me coming from Bangalore and this road, this weather. This is not reality.
Any direction you look in, you can see snow-topped mountains.
Yeah, I'll
That's the
show
best
you
part.
guys.
Oh my god, tulips! Mama, tulips!
I'll show you tulips and mountains. There's everything here, literally everything.
Tulips!
Those are the mountains that are actually covered with snow, but since it's night, you cannot see much. But I can see over there. And there are tulips here. There are tulips everywhere here. And they're so colorful. There's a casino right under the mountain. And the way is also so beautiful. There are flowers everywhere here, literally on all the streets, and they're so beautiful. And these flowers, we can never find them grow in India. Mama, missa kya? Missa kya ke? Meow. Meow. We have almost reached home after a very long walk. Hope you have had a long, relaxing day like I've had. See you all tomorrow. Until then, bye bye.